Most small businesses cannot afford a full marketing team. You need someone writing blog content, someone managing social media, someone handling SEO, someone designing visuals, and someone writing outreach copy. That is realistically 4 or 5 hires, and most small business owners end up doing all of it themselves badly or paying for it inconsistently through freelancers. Marky AI is built around a different idea. Instead of giving you another tool you have to operate yourself, it gives you a team of AI specialists that learn your brand and handle different parts of your marketing. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to set it up, what each part of the platform does, and how to actually use it for your business from day one. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Let us get into it. Go to marky.ai in your browser. You will see the Sign Up option on the homepage. Create your account using your email or sign in with Google. Marky offers a 7-day free trial so you can test the platform fully before committing to a paid plan. The first thing that happens after you sign up is the most important part of the entire setup, and it is what makes Marky different from a generic AI writing tool. You will be asked to connect your website and upload any business documents you have, things like brand guidelines, product information, or existing marketing materials. This step is what they call the brand advisor. Behind the scenes, the AI is reading through your website and documents to understand your tone of voice, who your audience is, what makes your business different, and even who your competitors are. Take this step seriously. The more information you give it here, the more your AI team will sound like your business and not like generic AI output. If you have a style guide, past blog posts, or examples of content you genuinely like, upload those during this step. Once that analysis is complete, you land on your main dashboard. This is where you will see your team of AI specialists laid out. Think of each one as a department, and you are going to walk through what each one does and how to use it. Start with the social media expert. This is the AI responsible for creating, scheduling, and publishing your social content. Open this section and you will see options to generate posts. Based on the brand information you provided during setup, this expert creates posts in your established tone rather than generic AI-sounding content. To use it, look for the content generation area and either select a content type, things like a promotional post, a seasonal announcement, or a general engagement post, or simply describe what you want covered. The AI generates the post copy along with suggestions for accompanying visuals. Here is the important part. Before anything goes live, look for the approval step. Marky is built around an approval-friendly workflow, meaning generated content sits in a review queue rather than publishing automatically. Go through each generated post, read it, make any edits you want directly in the editor, and then approve it. Once approved, connect your social accounts through the integration section so approved content can be scheduled and published directly from Marky rather than you copying and pasting into each platform manually. Next, open the blog and SEO section. This is the AI responsible for producing blog content tailored to your business and optimized to help your site get found on Google and in AI-powered search results. To use this effectively, start by giving it a topic or a few topics relevant to your business. The AI uses what it learned about your brand during the initial setup to write content that matches your established voice rather than sounding like it was written by a different writer for every post. Look for the SEO settings within this section. This is where you can specify target keywords or topics you want your business to rank for. The AI builds the content structure around those targets. Once a draft is generated, review it the same way you would the social posts. Read through it, make edits where needed, and then look for the publishing integration. If you have WordPress or another content management system connected, approved blog posts can be pushed directly to your site from here rather than you needing to copy the content over manually. Now open the visual and video section. This is where Marky generates on-brand images and video content for your business. The goal here is to reduce how much you spend on a designer or agency for routine visual content like social graphics, promotional images, and short video content. To use it, describe what you need, a promotional graphic for a specific offer, a seasonal visual, or a short video for a social post, and the AI generates options based on your brand's established visual style. Review the outputs, select the ones that work, and either use them directly in posts created through the social media expert or download them for use elsewhere. If your business does any direct outreach or sales, open the Sales Expert section. This handles prospect research and email copywriting. You can describe the type of prospect or audience you are targeting, and the AI generates outreach copy aligned with your brand voice, which you can then use in your existing email or outreach tools. Now let me explain the feature that genuinely sets Marky apart from a collection of separate AI tools, which is agentic orchestration. In practical terms, this means the different AI specialists are not working in isolation. The blog and SEO expert, the social media expert, and the visual expert can coordinate with each other on a single campaign or content theme. For example, if you are running a seasonal promotion, instead of manually telling each section about that promotion separately, the system can carry that context across departments, so your blog post, your social posts, and your visuals are all aligned around the same message and timing without you repeating yourself in 5 different places. To take advantage of this, look for any campaign or project level settings on your dashboard rather than working purely inside individual sections. Setting up a campaign or theme at that higher level and then letting the relevant AI experts pull from it is what makes this feel like a coordinated team rather than 5 separate tools. Here is a practical workflow for your first week using Marky. On day 1, complete the brand setup thoroughly, connect your website, upload any documents, and review what the brand advisor summarized about your business to make sure it understood things correctly. If something looks off, that is the time to correct it before content generation begins. On day 2, generate your first batch of social content. Do not approve everything immediately. Read through it critically and pay attention to whether the tone genuinely matches your brand. If it does not, this is useful feedback. You may need to go back and provide more detailed brand information or examples. On day 3, generate your first blog post using a topic that is genuinely relevant to your customers right now. Review it carefully. This is content that will represent your business publicly, so the review step matters more here than anywhere else. By the end of your first week, you should have a sense of which AI experts are producing content close to ready to use versus which ones need more guidance or brand context from you. Marky improves the more accurately it understands your brand, so do not be discouraged if the first outputs need editing. Treat the first week as training the system, the same way you would with a new human hire. One more practical note. Marky currently supports English and Turkish for content generation. If your business operates in either of those languages, or both, this is directly usable. If you operate primarily in a different language, check the current language support before relying on it for your core content. Marky offers customer support through live chat available around the clock, so if you get stuck on any part of the setup or are unsure how a feature works for your specific business, that support channel is there to help you through it rather than figuring everything out alone. Let me bring this together. Marky positions itself as an AI team rather than a single tool, with each AI specialist handling a specific marketing function, social media, blog and SEO, visuals and video, and sales outreach, all informed by a brand profile built from your actual website and documents. The approval-based workflow means you stay in control of what actually gets published while removing the time cost of creating everything from scratch. And the coordination between the different AI specialists means a single campaign idea can flow through your content, your social posts, and your visuals consistently rather than you managing each piece separately. If you run a small business and you have been putting off consistent marketing because you simply do not have the time or budget for a full team, the 7-day free trial gives you enough time to set up your brand profile properly and generate a real first batch of content across each area to see whether it fits how your business actually communicates. If you need a properly built website for your business that gives a tool like Marky's strong material to learn your brand from in the first place, the Padded Vibes team handles full website setup for clients. You can reach out through padded6bez.com if that is useful for your situation. Hit the like button if this gave you a clear picture of how to actually set this up. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more tool tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and which AI expert, social, blog, visual, or sales you think would help your business most. See you in the next one.